Hello friends, we are going to 다시. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. 김치찜 is 망했어. 다시.
오케이.
김치찜은 영어 뭐야?
김치찜이지.
그러네. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. We are making kimchi-jjim today. Kimchi-jjim is pretty much kimchi wrapped pork belly, and this is very popular dish in Korean homemade cuisine. Okay, so here are ingredients for today. We have pork belly, 500 grams, black pepper powder, grinded garlic, red pepper, green onions, chili powder, salt, and corn syrup or 물엿, and anchovy sauce or 멸치 액젓, and kimchi, and this is the 육수. This is anchovy and kelp stock. So I boiled water and put anchovy and kelp for 10 minutes, and I let it sit for another 10 minutes and drain the water out. And this is the final product. First off, we're going to make marinade. 1 spoon of chili pepper powder, 1 spoon of grinded garlic, 1 spoon of anchovy fish sauce, this is stinky, 1 spoon of 물엿 or corn syrup. If you don't have this, you can put sugar. So 2 spoons of sugar, and as you go, if it's not too sweet, add a little bit more. Mix it well, and it's gonna go into the kimchi-jjim later. Spread the kimchi, place the pork belly on top, or the anchovy stock. Put all the vegetables, onions, and peppers. Boil it for at least 30 minutes to 40 minutes in medium heat. Lastly, put the marinade that we made before.